We are learning about new things that we can do with ChatGPT. Let's see what we can build today. So I'm here on my desktop and let's log into ChatGPT and see what we can build in ChatGPT. That's creative script and you can also sell it. So let's start by thinking about something unique. And I can think of an email tool which can send marketing emails to a number of users using a CSV list. So let's start by writing our first question. Let's see now what we get in the result. So now that we have our code written by ChatGPT, and this is almost a working example, right? It would be using CSV parser, file stream, node mailer to send mails, read file, and as well as parse the CSV. So it is using a stream to open up a CSV file. The file name you can replace over here. For now, it has written meaningful name according to its own. So after this, what it is doing, it is taking the email and domain and checking the email against the domain MX records to see if the email exists or not. And after that, what it is doing is that it is using node mailer to authenticate your account using Gmail, using your email and password. And once this is done, it is using an HTML template and a subject as well as your email from which you are sending the mail. And then what it is doing is it is sending the emails to all the cleaned emails, right? So you can replace the HTML file as your own HTML file. You can get it designed by some designer and then it would work like a charm. Like this is a clear cut script that you can use immediately, right? You won't have to do much of technical work once you are here with it. This is a good example of how ChatGPT can be used in order for marketing emails and stuff. And the section where it is verifying the emails, this is though not ethical to use this method on your own server. You can use it by deploying the script on some third-party server and then you can verify multiple emails once your email is warmed up and stuff. So this is not a video about that, but you can learn about it. But this is a functioning script and you can use this script to send your emails. So let's see what other things we can build using ChatGPT, and I'll be attaching a link to this script. So if you want to use this script, you can go ahead and try it out. So let's try out another thing that we can build using ChatGPT, and let's think about a solution that is most commonly looked by people on the internet, and let's try to simplify things for them. So I want this video to be helpful for you in order to make the best out of the latest technology. Let's say if you are a programmer and there's a client who's looking for a script that can parse email from content over a site, and then you can build a script for web scraping and then sell it to your client, right? So let's try how we can do that in ChatGPT. So let me ask the question and frame my prompt accordingly. So ChatGPT has written the script for us and it is almost right. It has the navigation stuff as well as searching the query on Google feature, and it has a maximum number of pages which you can easily modify by changing the number count. And let's modify this script to add another most important flavor in this script, and that is the email scraper. Let's say you are a lead generator or business development executive and email scraping is a really important part in your everyday life. So let's see how we can do it. So let's see what ChatGPT does for us. So this is a script written by ChatGPT. What it does is it will search a query on Google and then launch a headless CMS using Puppeteer and then go to each and every page. While going to each and every page, what it does is it will grab the mail to field and grab the email inside it. You can even modify this by adding more accurate prompts, but this is a good example of what I was talking about. This is an email scraper built using ChatGPT within just a few seconds. So this will be a program that can easily scrap emails for you using Puppeteer and NodeJS for free. So this is a script that you can sell to your client and do a lot of stuff. So what more we can think of? So let's think about something which is more popular. Like when we have solved the problem of marketing guys where they need to validate emails as well as send emails to a lot of people, and there's a script that we have written using ChatGPT and that solves the problem for them. And there is another script that we have written for programming guys who can scrap emails from Google search results, and this is the most popular skill in the market right now. So let's think about something similar in the world these days. So let's do something unique. Let's think about an automated Twitter tweet bot. So let's start by writing a prompt for it. So it has started writing the script and let's see what it does. So I can see it's using an OpenAI library and VP to access Twitter. So let's see what OpenAI has written for us once it writes down the explanation. It is saying that you need your customer key, your customer secret, your access token secret, and your OpenAI API key in order to access OpenAI library, right? And then it will be helpful in order to analyze your tweets and then suggest you the next tweet that you should write. And it is using Tweepy to access Twitter. So this is an amazing script that you can use in order to generate your next tweet automatically, and you can see how beautifully OpenAI has written this Python script for us. You can easily use it. I am sharing it on my GitHub repository. You can go on there and you can see all the examples that we have done today. So this is an amazing example of how AI can be really helpful in our everyday life, and I really look forward to a bright future in this field. You can use my script as well as my prompts that I've done in these videos in order to create your own examples, help your clients grow your business, and we can see each other in the next video. And if you like my video and you need something similar in my future videos, go there in the comment section, like and do comment about the next thing that is amazing and exciting and that you are looking forward to learn. So do subscribe to my channel and get ready for the new and exciting video that would be coming next. See you later. Bye.